So here the length is increased by 20% and the weight is decreased by 10%. So what will be total percent change, whether it is positive change or negative change? We need to find out that. So initially we assume this is our rectangle where the length is A and the weight is B and the area is A into B. Now the length is 20% increased, so we don't know, but it's increased 20%, and the length is how? It's decreased 10%. So now our new length will be, so add is increased, so it will be A plus 20 into A by 100 as it's increased 20%. And what will be the length? What will be the weight? It will be B minus 10 by 100 into B. So we can write 100A plus 20A, so it will be 120A divided by 100, or we can also write it is 1.2A, and here it is 100, so 100B minus 10B, so it is 90B divided by 100, so 0.9B. So what is the new area? So the new area is 1.2 into A into 9B, so it will be 1.08 AB. So this was our initial area and this is our new area. So we can see the area is actually increased a little bit. So it's increased is 1.08 AB minus AB. So it is 0.08 AB. So the percent change is 0.08 AB divided by our initial area into 100. So it will be 8%, and this will be increase.